In this video, we're going to show you how to replace a front bumper bracket on your Chevy Express 2500. This is going to be located in the front wheel well. Let's get started. Here we are looking up into our front bumper. If you look past your wheel, you'll find this. We're going to use a 15mm socket. We're going to remove the bolts. Remove the bolts and remove the bumper bracket. Install the new bumper bracket into place and get the bolts started. Make sure it's on top of the bumper in the front. Snug the bolts down. Get them nice and snug, and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.